G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans. Now let's talk everyone's favourite subject, the toilet. Now most of them work very, very similar. They're a swivel toilet itself. Obviously our lid lifts up. When you want to use the toilet, you actually open this flap, do whatever you're going to do, close, flush the button, and then close the flap back up. Now we've also got a little indicator here at the back that'll show you when the cassette's nearly full, when it needs to be empty. And the best thing is with these toilets, they unload and reload from the outside of the van, so nothing comes inside. Come outside and I'll show you how the cassette actually works. So on the outside, we simply open the toilet hatch. There's a little clip under here that allows you to slide out the cassette. Now if you do have to walk a bit of a distance, there's even a carry handle and wheels. Now, the beauty thing is with these cassette toilets, besides being around for a long time, they're very foolproof. Any built up gas or air inside releases from this button. Undo the cap. But the big thing is, for the ladies, this isn't your job. This is your husband's job. So you don't have to watch this video at all. You just have to hit repeat and show your husband. Happy camping.